Hi there, today we will be talking about docuflow Advanced DMS functionality. If you don't already know, docuflow for SAP is an intelligent modern alternative to legacy ECM for SAP content and process automation. Here are some reasons why you need to consider Advanced DMS. We can help automate time-consuming manual DMS processes, save your users and document controllers time. Transition your legacy content and process systems to cloud, save cost on sustainment and overgrown ECM systems. Leverage no-code, low-code rules-based processing for more systematic, consistent, and auditable processes, which reduces risk more efficiently. Now, let's take a very high-level look at a process in the plant maintenance module of an SAP system. In this example, we have extended SAP DMS to allow for automated inbound and outbound document management capabilities. By automating DMS documents and metadata flow between your content services repositories and SAP Document Information Records, commonly known as a DR. The first step is where your document control people publish new document revisions. Docuflow automatically sees a new document is published, gets the new PDF and metadata from your document control system, and then connects to SAP. Within SAP, Docuflow looks for the associated SAP DR. If the DR does not exist, Docuflow will create one. If the DR does exist, Docuflow will either update or version the DR automatically based on your business rules. In this specific example, Docuflow will then store the document into your broader document distribution system and create a link to that document within your DR. This event could also trigger important notifications and other processes both inside and outside of SAP. For example, Docuflow could automatically link the DR to one or more SAP equipment masters. Docuflow then updates the metadata of the published document in your document control system to complete the loop. Docuflow supports many different document management systems ranging from Microsoft 365 to Box to IBM. For those systems not listed here, we can build custom connectors, or if the document control system can output the new document, we can also pick it up from a drop zone on a file system. By automating these steps, Docuflow ensures your processes are more efficient and timely, but more importantly ensures they are systematic, consistent, and auditable. In short, Docuflow Advanced DMS helps you save time, save costs, and reduce risk. For more information, visit us at VersaFile.com.